So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get 20% off and a free domain absolutely free of cost. What's the coupon code and how to use it. So for this, what you have to do is, in the description there is a link. Simply click on the link and you will be redirected to this page. Now from here you have to select your country, from which country your offer is valid for all these countries. Now click on claim deal. Now here you have three plans. Premium if you are a beginner and totally new, then you can consider this. Business if you have a decent website. Cloud startup plan, you want to expand your website according to your need, choose the plan. Now here search your domain that you need. Now you see this, it's absolutely free. Now 20% off and this free domain is there. Now this one is 48 months plan. If your budget is low, then you can consider the 12 months plan. Here is also, you see this, the domain is free and 20% discount is also there. In just $38 you are getting a $20 domain absolutely free of cost. And there is this 12 months of hosting, which is a great deal. Don't miss this offer. Now if you have good budget, then go with the 48 months plan. Why? If you compare the monthly prices, then you will see in 48 months plan you will save a lot of money, and there is this 2 months of extra hosting also. Now this offer is not for everyone. This offer is made only for new users. However, if you are not a new user, then also you can claim this offer. How? In the description there is a link. Simply copy that link and go with any other Google account and paste the link in the search bar and choose your plan and go for the payment. Now you are also a new user and you can also claim this offer. So this is the secret trick. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.